In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove formulas in Google Sheets. Whether you're compiling data for a report or just tidying up your spreadsheet, removing those pesky formulas can be super helpful. Let's get started by diving straight into Google Sheets. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't already have one open, you can quickly access Google Sheets by searching it on your browser or opening it from your Google account. Once you have your sheet open, let's move on to the next important step. Next, we'll focus on cell E4. You'll want to click on this cell to select it. This step is critical as it sets the stage for the data we're about to modify. Once you've clicked on cell E4, let's continue with selecting a range of cells. Now, carefully highlight the cells from D4 to D8. This selection is crucial because we aim to modify this specific range. You can do this by clicking on cell D4, holding your mouse button down and dragging it to D8. Now that we have the necessary cells highlighted, let's proceed to the next step. Once the cells are highlighted, perform a right-click anywhere within this selection. Accessing the right-click menu will present you with several options, so don't worry if you're seeing a list of things you can do. The option we're interested in right now is Copy. So within the menu that popped up after the right-click, go ahead and click on Copy. This action is crucial because it places your selected data onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted whenever necessary. After you've copied the cells, let's move on. Now click back on cell E4, where we initially began. This cell is where we'll apply a special paste in the upcoming steps. Once you've selected E4 again, you're ready for the next task. Here's where a nifty keyboard shortcut comes into play. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and V at the same time. This will paste your data into cell E4 without carrying over any of the original formatting or formulas. Just the raw numbers as you see them will appear here. Moving forward, you need to copy the value of cells D4 to D8 again. This might seem repetitive, but it's an essential part of ensuring the values you want are securely on your clipboard. Once copied, your next step is to click on cell F4. Similar to before, this selection sets the location for your final paste operation. Right-click on cell F4 to bring up the context menu once more. Now find the Paste Special option in the menu. You'll click on this to reveal an additional submenu filled with various ways you can paste your data. From this submenu, select Values Only. And there you have it. The cells you worked with now display only the values and not the formulas. This method is a foolproof way to ensure your spreadsheet is clean and easy to interpret, devoid of unnecessary formulas. Thank you for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit any part of this tutorial if you need a refresher.